Okay, so a sporting goods store. This is just simple probability given a spinner. There are 12 outcomes. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10%. Says it here. 6 10%, 3 20%, 2 blue 40%, and 1 gold. That's this one. They're all equal size. So the first question asks, what is the probability that a customer gets at least a 40% discount? Okay, so we can look at it a couple of ways. The easiest way though is say, hey, there's 12 outcomes. How many of them are 40 or above? Well, that's 1, 2, 3. So that's 3/12, also known as 1/4 or 0.25. Either answer is acceptable. Okay, what is the probability that 2 customers in a row get only 10% discounts? Okay, there are 6 10% discounts, so that's 6 out of 12. Well, I'm hoping that most of you know that 6 out of 12 is the same thing as 1/2. It's the same thing as 0.5. So this is going to be 0.5 times 0.5, or 1/2 times 1/2, which is 1/4, also known as 0.25, or 25% of the time. What is the probability that 3 consecutive customers all get 20% discounts? Okay, there are 3 20% discounts. So that's 3/12, which is 1/4. Again, okay, so 3 all get 20%. So that's 1/4 times 1/4 times 1/4. All right. So let's see what that looks like calculator wise. 1 divided by 4 raised to the third power, and that's 0.015625. All right, so we're going to say approximately 0.02. Or you could have gone, let's see, 4 and 4 is 16. That's 1/64. What is the probability that none of the first 4 customers gets a discount over 20%? So that's the complement of this. So that's going to be 9/12, also known as 3/4. So it's the first 4 customers. So that's going to be 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4 multiplied. So this is 3 divided by 4. Whoops. Let's do this. 0.75 raised to the fourth. It's about 32%. 0.316 approximately. Okay, that's about. So that's 9's 81 over 16, and 16 is 256. If you want to write that, I'll go ahead and write that for you. 81 over 256, for those of you who figured it that way. Okay, what is the probability that the first gold winner is the 5th customer in line? So not a gold, not a gold, not a gold, not a gold, gold. So this is 1/12. These are 11/12s. Not gold, not gold, not gold. So let's go 11 raised to the 4th divided, divided by 12 raised to the 5th. And that's about 6%. It's approximately 0.059, or 0.06 is acceptable on that. What is the probability there is at least 1 gold winner among the first 6 customers? So in other words, the first or the second or the third or the 5th or the 6th, any of those could be. So this is 1 minus the probability of G to the 6th power. All right, so that's 1 minus, not gold is 11/12, right? So about 41%. 1. Okay, then the last question says, as you wait your turn, there are 3 gold winners in a row. A lively discussion between the next 2 customers. One thinks the streak about kills their chance of winning free merchandise, says the wheel won't come up gold again for a very long time. The other says the wheel is clearly on a hot streak, so they're lucky to be next in line. Comment on their opinions. Each of the events are independent, so it is hard to make either prediction correctly. And I hope that explains all of that.